How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Instagram music not showing all songs. If you can't find certain tracks when adding music to your story or posts, follow these steps and we'll get it fixed. Let's dive in. The very first thing you should do is make sure your Instagram app is fully up to date. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see the update button, go ahead and tap it. Sometimes older versions of the app can cause glitches, including missing music. So keeping your app up to date often fixes missing songs. Once you've updated, open Instagram and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner to go into Settings. Scroll down, find and tap Creator Tools and Controls, then tap Switch Account Type. If your account is set as a business or professional account, certain music tracks won't be available due to licensing restrictions. To fix this, switch over to a personal account. This usually restores access to the full music library. Next, go back to those three lines in the menu, then into Account Center. From there, tap Sharing across profiles. Then choose Instagram. Now make sure that story and post sharing to Facebook is turned off. Why? Because sometimes songs available on Instagram aren't licensed for Facebook. If this setting is on, it can cause music options to disappear. Turning it off often fixes that. If you're still not seeing the songs, try logging out and logging back into your account. Just go to Settings, scroll down, tap Log Out, then log back in. This refreshes your account and clears up small glitches that could be blocking the music library. Finally, if nothing else works, you'll need to report the issue directly to Instagram. Go to your profile, tap the three lines again, scroll down to Help, then choose Report a Problem. Select Report without shaking, tap Continue, and type something like, "Music feature not available. Songs missing from library." Send that in, and Instagram's support team will review your account and usually fix the issue within a short time. And that's it. Following these steps should solve the problem of Instagram music not showing all songs.